In this video, I'm going to show you how to add color jitter in Krita, step by step, so you can make your brush strokes feel more natural, more dynamic, and a lot more interesting. Color jitter is a great way to introduce subtle variation or bold color changes while you paint, and it can make your artwork look much more organic and lively. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Krita and select the brush preset you want to customize. This is important because color jitter is applied to a specific brush preset, so the changes you make will affect that brush and not every brush in your library. Pick the brush you normally use for sketching, inking, painting, or texture work, depending on the effect you want. Once your brush is selected, press F5 on your keyboard to open the brush settings editor window. This is where you can fine-tune almost every part of your brush, including size, opacity, texture, and of course, color settings. If the window feels a little overwhelming at first, don't worry. We only need to focus on a few key options. Now look at the left properties panel inside the brush settings editor and locate the color section. Click on it to expand the available color-related options. Inside this section, find the hue setting and check the box next to it to expand its properties. This is where you begin controlling how the brush changes color as you paint. Before you go any further, make sure the Enable Pen Settings checkbox is turned off. This step matters because if pen settings are enabled, they can override or interfere with the behavior you're trying to set up. Turning this off helps make sure your color jitter behaves consistently the way you expect. Next, look under the sensors list and check the box next to either fuzzy dab or fuzzy stroke. These two options create color variation in slightly different ways, so choosing the right one depends on the kind of painting behavior you want. If you choose fuzzy dab, the brush will randomize the hue, saturation, or value properties every single time the brush tip creates a stamp on the canvas. In other words, each dab can come out with a slightly different color. This is perfect if you want a more scattered, lively, or painterly effect. If you choose fuzzy stroke, Krita will choose one randomized variant value and lock it in for the entire duration of a single continuous stroke. That means every dab within that stroke will stay consistent until you lift your pen or release your mouse. This is useful when you want variation between strokes, but not inside the stroke itself. After selecting your sensor, adjust the sensor curve by dragging the control points. This lets you restrict or broaden the color variation range. If you want subtle jitter, keep the curve tighter and more controlled. If you want stronger variation, widen the range so the brush can shift more dramatically across colors. Spend a moment testing the curve until it matches the look you want. At this stage, it's a good idea to test the brush on a blank area of your canvas. Make a few strokes and see how the color changes behave. If the variation is too strong, go back and refine the curve. If it's too subtle, broaden the range a little more. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the final result. Once you're happy with the settings, type a new name in the top field so you can easily identify this custom brush later. Then click Save New Preset to preserve the configuration. This is the best way to make sure you don't lose your work and can reuse the exact same color jitter setup anytime you need it. And that's it. You've now learned how to add color jitter in Krita. With this technique, you can create more expressive brushes, more natural color variation, and more artistic control in your paintings. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Krita tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.